Well, hey, this is Hippie from H&H Racing, Bad Back and Knees Club on YouTube, and AMBDRA and all that other stuff. That's not what's important tonight. Just had a customer. He had this 140 built and just got the frame back from powder coating and decals. And he's given us a build sheet. And as we do the restoration on this thing and get it up and roadworthy, he's got a title for it and he's going to tag it. And anyway, I'm going to be doing some videos on this as it goes. We got a box of OEM, original, and repo parts. Got another box of miscellaneous repos. And got an upside down fork that is going to go on our Pro Extreme drag bike for next year. Had this beautiful pipe done, ceramic coated. And I look forward to doing this project on the channel and sharing it with everybody as it goes along. But this is the kind of the beginning of something that's going to be very, very cool. I look forward to sharing it with everybody. Adam, Fat Buddy Cat, I've been enjoying watching your 50 resto, and I kind of chuckled about it when this came up. I was like, man, I'm not trying to one up you, but darn it, that's just what they brought me. But yeah, this was originally a CT70, Trail 70. And like I said, that's a 140 that has been farmed out and built in the frame. So this ought to be a little hustler when it's done. Looking forward to sharing it with everybody. It's cold out here. Hannah just got home. I'm going in the house and making dinner. Y'all have a good one.